God wants from you. Because the mistake that you do if you don't know what God wants from you is to live in liberty. Meanwhile, God has expectations about you. Uphila ukhulekile kanti unesikweleti enkosini. So I am here. Ngifuna wonke umuntu ozwela amazwi for 5 minutes alala inhliziyo ebuhlungu eyibuza ukuthi leminyaka anayo uyisebenzisile yini to respond to what God wants from you. Ngifuna umuntu alala abe nento ethi kungenzeka yini ukube kulo 40 esengiphilile angawusebenzisi ngisho 10 ukuresponda entweni inkosi ayifuna kimi. Usuke ube nesibusiso kemaqondanile ukuthi into zakho zaqondana kwawukuthi umsebenzi osebenzayo uyakulekelela ukuthi uyifeze into inkosi ethuma yona. Umshado ushadile uyakulekelela. So kuyenzeka umshado okumele ukuthi ulwe ukuze uyifeze into. Noma umsebenzi okumele ulwe ukuze uyifeze into. Kanti ezulwini ayikho into eyaziwayo mangeyona ethunywe inkosi.
Hey Nkosi yami.
And ezulwini you are not regarded as somebody ophilayo mangaphileli icebo lenkosi. Kuyicala enkosini ukuthi ukhathele kanti awukhathaziwe into ethunyiwe. Ngesikhathi uyiphonsa ebhedle uthi ngaze ngakhathala lithi izulu ukhathazwe yini imjameli mandate. Some of us we are living freely and this Zulu is beginning to be disappointed concerning us. And there shall be no excuse. And yes, sithatha lenkululeko lokuspend usuku ama-hour awu-8 singasibuzanga ukuthi kulama hour awu-8 mangaki inkosi ethozile ngawo ngami. Makuthi ucabanga ukuthi uzalelwe ukondla ingane zakho nonkosikazi. Leyo nto izona abantu abangakholwa by the way. Yes. Akuzikwelete engizizwa la endlini abantu abanethezekile izulu likhala ngabo. They are lost in the mandate found in Jesus. Angisho lento sengithandaza. Thina apostoli ngeke sihlulelwe ngezono ngoba uJesu wayithethelele. Ngophinda bese siyathandaza. Ikholwa mhlalini phambi kwesela sobukhosi. Kuyothi makuvela isono kuphele igazi.